On today's episode of Watch JR Go, a mission. Gabe, you wanna go on a road trip to pick up a car? we're out. Let's go. What is going on, guys? I'm Watch JR Go, and today I'm here with Gabe, and we are going to pick up a car that no one ever gets tired of. We are going to get... We gotta go back to the house. I already paid for this car, and I already got the keys, and I left the keys on my desk. Anyway,
it happens.
We are going to get a Honda Civic.
It's a Civic.
Drive a Civic, drive a Civic, drive a Civic.
I hear that's a reliable car.
Try number 2. I found out this is a 2005 Honda Civic.
Oh.
We just went up a year. That's far more valuable. So, we're gonna do this drive in real time to go pick up this car. We're going on this whole road trip. If I had to guess, I'd say we're about a quarter of the way there right now.
Are we gonna like do road trip music and sing songs?
It's just carnival music instead. The car we're going to pick up is very close. We've seen it a few times. Gabe doesn't know just how close it is, but it's been abandoned for over 2 years in a parking lot.
That one.
It is that. You already know. It's the only car in the city that hasn't moved in 2 years, probably. Anyway,
I don't know. Mine in the driveway's been there for a minute.
All right, fine. But this one is in public view, and I've tried to buy it many times, and we couldn't get a deal put together. I offered like $1,000 for it once. I offered like $500 for it many times because I heard it needs a transmission, but I don't know. I don't really know anything about it other than that. And then I was told like $1,200 or $1,000, and I was like, I can't do that. And then the other day I talked to them again. They were like $400, so I took them to $500 to be nice for sure. But here we are. We made it to the car.
That's right. It's just a bright ball of light.
It is literally the sun. We're picking up the sun.
And then to the right of it.
They tell me it will start.
After 2 years of sitting.
I don't know if it'll start without a jump pack, but they tell me the engine itself does run. Okay. So I brought the jump pack, and I think we'll just kind of post up with the trailer right over here, and hopefully it starts and just drives right on the trailer.
Well, all right.
If it doesn't, we'll get it home.
I mean, I got kids. They can push it.
All right, we'll get somebody to push
it. It's not that far.
Not us.
No.
We're going to stand there and watch.
Gosh, no, not us.
Who would do that? We got tools and a rag. I will check the oil just in case it leaked like all of its oil out while it was sitting. It does, I didn't notice before, but it does look like there's a bit of a puddle, maybe an 8-inch puddle underneath it. Little bit of a puddle. Just Civic things. All right. So I haven't really looked at this car or anything ever. I just saw it sitting here and knew I wanted it. Look, it's got hasn't been opened in forever, and the doors are hard to open like that. Like, here's the doors that haven't been opened in 2 years sound.
Still fresh.
Still fresh. Look at that back seat. Look at that back seat, man. That is clean. Wow. Oh, the headliner is a little saggy, but the rest of this thing is clean. This was when Honda got smart and made the whole back out of plastic, so it didn't fade. The seat belts are faded, but the plastic is not.
Nice.
The paint is rough. You can see, here's the clear.
Oh, yeah.
The clear is literally leaving the earth right now, unfortunately. But it was cheap. I mean, it was $400 if I wanted, but I paid the extra $100. I'd say that's as dead as they come. Hood, cruise control,
what?
Factory head unit, automatic, manual, Civic sedan. This stuff's getting hard to find, I bet. What else we got? Pins, insurance cards. Okay, that's about it.
Nice garage door.
Oh, a garage door opener.
Just walk around the neighborhood and
that's worth $30.
See what happens.
Oh yeah, let's go open. Let's just go push it as many times as we can. Dude, look at these tires.
All season.
Those tires are brand new. What's up with me getting brand new tires on all these cars? For a long time, I had to put tires on the flips.
Whoa!
We know what that bad boy is. Another D17. This is your twin. It's your twins.
Oh wait, this is the auto version.
Well, yeah, it's the auto, and it does look like it's had some coolant. It's got a new thermostat, maybe, and a neck on the thermostat there. But this is the same engine that's in the one you're driving right now.
Mm-hmm.
All right, I'm kind of worried this won't even start it because that battery's probably
Toast?
yeah,
That might be a toasty boy.
probably hurting things. And what I didn't bring was a 10. We could run back to the house. I guess it's all of 15 feet. Did you hear it?
Mm-hmm.
She came to life. Okay, please start. Please start. Please start. Check the oil real quick. Oh, that oil is water, but it looks like a brand new oil change. Look at that. I think that's just a fresh oil change with a light weight. It does say it's 5W20. It's lightweight. Please start, please start, please start, please start. The gauges are on.
Nice.
Oh my goodness. It sounds horrible.
You're gonna enjoy listening or watching that on the film later on, because you can see the battery just suck it down.
Oh, you can?
Yeah.
It's got a massive exhaust leak or a dead cylinder or something. It looks like an exhaust leak, but I can't feel it. But it runs so smooth, like it doesn't look like a miss. What is going on here? It's all wet, valve cover gasket needs done. But it must be an exhaust leak, it must be. I don't know, listen to that, the power steering pump doesn't scream.
No.
Impressive. It's completely full. The fluid looks really
and it's
good.
Wow.
The fluid looks excellent. Wow. I was like, there's no chance it starts. I had already given up once it started cranking that slowly. How are we doing? Is it 14 volts?
Oh, it was
Look
14
at that.
shortly after that.
Look at it charging. It's making 15 volts. I guess we'll let it sit for a second so we can try to turn this battery into a capacitor and then try to drive it. Hubcaps are coming off. I guess I might paint the hubcaps. Oh, they're literally falling off. Oh, these tires appear to be somewhat flat. A lot of sidewall flex.
They might be a little
flat.
Just
also, this bumper. The bumpers are wrecked. This is an LX. Look at that. The last sticker that was on it was 18. Maybe it's been here longer.
I mean,
I think it's been here since 18, honestly.
apparently their other ride is a TARDIS, so they don't need the Civic.
Yeah, why would you need a Civic if
Right.
you have a blue box?
It's bigger on the inside.
Spitting facts, man. You're spitting straight facts. Does this work? Oh, gas door
surprises.
works. Man, that needs washed. It's too bad. Oh, all right. Hey, she comes with oil and coolant. Honda Genuine. This is probably ATF, isn't it? Yeah.
ATF?
Yeah. I was told the transmission was the reason it got parked, but that's all I know. Okay, everything seems like it works pretty well. Let's get some ramps out.
Wouldn't it be interesting if
it
the
just-
reason why
if
it
it's-
doesn't work is because it put too much ATF in?
It would be interesting. Should I try to drive it? Or should we just load it on the trailer?
Give it a shot, man.
All right, around the
That's
parking
what
lot
this
we
is
go.
all about. I mean, we're about trying new things, and
It was cheap enough, and I plan on putting a transmission in it anyway. That was the plan from the beginning. We better try to drift it. We got an open parking lot. Will it move? No way. It did not work. As soon as you start driving, the speedo just jumps. It was saying I was going like 40 and then 60, and then it's just kind of bouncing all over the place. 193. All right, I'm gonna take it for a quick lap. Let's see this gauge move here.
okay.
I don't know if that's the input sensor and the output sensor fighting, but oh, this thing is gone. The transmission is toast. Toast. What on earth? I think it thinks it's going so fast, it's like pulling timing or something. Let's look at this. We're going 20. We're going 20. 40. 20, 40. It could move to the base, you know?
All about that bass. That
All
bass.
about that base.
I like this, you know, it gives you a chance to just be imaginative.
Yeah, think about how fast we're in warp right now. Radio work? Code. What do you think the code is? We got the radio code, so it's living again. Radio's back. The AC is not cold though. Oh, disc? Oh, we got a disc! You taking some notes over there?
I'm taking notes, man.
If you could just write down that the transmission doesn't work very well.
Transmit. You got a pen?
No.
Well, we'll just chalk it up to the notes.
Invisible
I'll
ink.
put that down in there too.
Yeah.
Need a pen.
Need pen. Write that down too.
Yeah.
The CD player works great. Transmission, not so much. I kind of just want to keep driving it around a little bit because it's pretty impressive that it works this well. I put it in D3, you know,
Yep,
third
D3.
gear. That way we could keep it from shifting to overdrive, and it actually seems like it runs pretty well.
Nice.
But it shifts to overdrive when you're going like 10 mile an hour, which is the problem. It's not overheating one bit. We've driven it for, I mean, it's been running for 15 minutes now.
Yep.
The secret compartment is full of pennies. All right,
Oh,
we
snap.
just got quite a bit of our money back. Big win. You know what we could do?
Are you ready for it?
Drive to get a battery. We're only going one block.
I don't know about that.
What?
I mean, that seems like a lot.
All right, we'll load it
Maybe.
up.
No, absolutely. Let's drive it.
All right, fine. Kind sir, would you take me to the nearest O'Reilly's? I know it's in walking distance, but I would prefer to drive this broken car.
Not the jack?
Not the Jack.
Whatever you say, sir.
Oh, I did not think you were gonna make that. I'm impressed by the Honda turning radius.
Nothing about my skill as a driver. No, nothing. Just
No, I was like,
it's about the Honda.
I was like,
It's all
nope,
about the Honda.
Gabe's gonna stick that trailer just for fun. Hey, we should mention this dude's a E350.
love it.
That's power stroke swapped with a lift and four-wheel drive, full four-wheel drive. I mean, that thing's insane.
Airways, we know you have a.
Oh no, it died when we pulled up.
No, I meant to do that.
No,
Totally.
I felt it die. So
It gave it up.
we are at our local ORI. I sure hope they have the battery for this thing, because if not, we're in trouble. Hello, sir. I need a battery
What for?
for that.
One of those?
One of those.
It's Group 51, Gabe.
I mean, I'm looking at it. I'm like, wait, where's the PRM on there?
We're trying to trick him with the reverse and not reverse. Okay, Gabe's got the battery. I've got a 10. We're gonna swap this thing out, and this Honda will be back on the road, even though it only goes on 30-mile-an-hour roads.
Oh, yeah.
As soon as I was like, for a white Civic, Brayden was like, is that the one from the church that's been sitting there? Everybody knows this car. Everybody knows this car, and we are going to rescue it. Wow! It is rusty, but it is coming off. That one opened up. Okay, this one needs a little hammer action too. It probably needs some like knocker loose, but
Some knocker loose and golden ratchet action.
it's going. It's going. It's going. Yeah!
I love watching the whole post. Flex.
I know, dude. We are at the spot if you need to change your battery. Only one tool needed. Good old Honda. Wow, all of this is pretty much rusted into place, but... And then I guess we'll drive this back and put it on the trailer, because it has to go to the warehouse. Driving down the highway doesn't seem fun.
No.
Can you believe this is still on there? Like, this car is honestly nice. It goes off every time. Yeah, nobody ever puts those things back. Okay. Put back the thing. I almost forgot to put the thing back. I feel like that's what happens. You get the battery installed, and you realize you didn't put the plastic back, and then you just throw it away. Like, oops. My bad. Since we're in here, don't breathe for real. And we're just about done here. Oh man, that negative is like... Okay, do you have pliers?
Probably.
I need to hold the side that's supposed to be captured. I need to wipe my hands off because I got the corrosion inhibiting gel on there. Might as well just... I'm gonna corrosion inhibit everything.
There you go.
It's all been inhibited. As I loosened it, things got worse. All right, I think we're good again.
Sweet.
Yeah, I ain't going nowhere.
I was waiting for that.
Dude, we should really just swap the transmission while we're here too. I know you got tools, so we should be good to
It's
go.
a Honda. It's probably a 10 millimeter.
Yeah, it's just 10s. Do you have keys? They in it?
No.
Will it blend? Skeet skeet. Runs great. What a champ. Exhaust lead sure back. Okay, more things. The cheap wiper blades, because it needs wiper blades.
Okay.
And that exhaust gasket, if we have the MLS one.
Sedan, front wipers.
Front wipers.
It's like a 19 and a 21.
19 and 21. All right, we got wiper blades, exhaust gaskets coming, Coke and batteries, and I mean, this car is basically rebuilt.
It's brand new.
Brand new.
Ready to go.
All right, thanks man, have a good night.
Have a good one.
Ding, ding. We watch with bated breath as Gabe tries to remove the wiper blade from the wiper arm assembly.
This sounds really similar to what I said about you.
Very epic. Okay, so that one's the 21. I won.
Yes, you did.
Mine is complete.
You totally won.
Oh, you brought more of the gummy
bowed
pigs?
my head.
Oh, dude, I'm super excited about these. I've never had these before, and they're delicious.
Wait, how do you know they're delicious if you've never had them before?
No, until a minute ago.
Oh,
Here, I'm gonna try one.
what are they?
Gummy pigs.
I'm sorry, did you say gummy pigs?
Gummy pigs, different than gummy bears.
I love them already.
Are you done yet?
No, I was eating gummy pigs.
Okay.
I was mildly disappointed they didn't taste like bacon.
My man. So now for the real test. It has to start, which it does very well. And now, no way! Everything on this car works. Still has washer fluid in it. All right, time to drive back down the block. That is one heck of an exhaust lead. Oh, I should turn the lights on now that we have a battery. Oh, those lights work really well.
I'm so used to automatic headlights.
I do. I was like, how come the lights didn't turn on? There's the highs. This car's gonna be solid. Four? There? You're good there. Seems like we got some tongue weight there. Well, there you have it, my new $500 Honda Civic. It was a good night full of gummy pigs, battery swaps, and I mean, getting all the little stuff done.
I mean, that's stuff America's made of.
That's it. That's all we have left is a simple transmission. It might be a speed sensor. So what we're really gonna do in the next episode is get the autel on it and look at the outputs from the speed sensors to see if one of those is erratic.
Yeah.
So what if it is?
That would be awesome.
Oh,
if
man.
you could fix it with that. I mean,
Oh, it would be so
Like-
sick. I doubt it. It feels like a slip, but if it's fixed, that'd be. Anyway, that is it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to head on over to shop.watchjrgo.com where you can get cool shirts, not like this. And please like, share, subscribe, do whatever you want to do. And I will talk to you next time. I mean, solid car for the money. Not to mention the gummy pig bonus.
I mean, it doesn't get better than that.
It doesn't get any better than that. Everything works. It's got great tires.